Hi, my name is Amber, and I'm a psychology major from Matthews, North Carolina. Let's discuss two specific requirements for humanities and social sciences students. 1, math and natural sciences, and 2, foreign language. The following information about math and natural sciences applies to those in a Bachelor of Arts or BA curriculum. Bachelor of Science or BS students have different requirements and should consult their degree audit for precise details. Depending on your major, humanities and social sciences BA students will take at least 2 natural science courses, one of which must be a 4-credit course that includes a lab. Please note that chemistry is not required in our college. You only need to take chemistry and the chemistry placement test if you plan on adding or switching to a science-related major or minor, or if you plan on pursuing a health-related career such as medical school or nursing. You will also take 2 math courses. Check the requirement detail link for the math requirement in your major to see what courses fulfill the math requirement. If you want to add or switch to a major in science, engineering, or management, or if you plan on going to medical school, you need to take calculus as one of your math courses. To register for calculus, you must take the online math placement exam. This exam is a 1-hour online test that can only be attempted once. If you have credit for calculus through AP scores or college-level work, you do not have to take the placement exam. We will use the credit you have already earned to place you appropriately. Additionally, if you do not intend to take calculus at all, or if you intend to start with pre-calculus, you do not have to take the math placement exam. Simply register for pre-calculus MA 107 or a non-calculus math course. Some of our majors require statistics as one of your 2 math courses. If so, statistics will be listed on your degree audit. If your major does not require statistics, the second math requirement can be a math course of your choosing. Please note that math and natural science do not have to be taken during your first semester. You can plan to take them in a later semester if you wish, unless you are pursuing a health profession career or you want to add or switch to a major that requires math or natural science. Again, the following information about foreign language applies to those in a Bachelor of Arts curriculum. Bachelor of Science students have different requirements and should consult their degree audit for the precise details. Humanities and Social Sciences BA students are required to complete a foreign language through the 3rd semester level. At NC State, this is the FL 201 course. There are several options for completing this requirement. Option 1. Take the traditional 3-course sequence, FL 101 to FL 102 to FL 201. This is the best option if you are beginning a new language, or if it has been a while since you studied a language. If you take the same language you took in high school, the first level, FL 101, is considered review and will not count towards your course requirements for graduation. However, the course will count toward your NC State GPA. Option 2. When you're on campus, take the computerized placement exam at the Foreign Language Computing Lab to determine your starting level. Exams are available in Spanish, French, German, and Chinese. If you place into the 102 level but have not studied the language in a while, you can consider the 110 option if you are taking either Spanish or French. FL 110 includes a review of FL 101 before moving forward into FL 102. It is an accelerated course that combines 2 levels of a language in 1 semester. Option 3. If you have transferred in credit or received AP credit for foreign language, you may start at the next level. For example, if you have transferred in a Level 1 language equivalent to FL 101, you can start at Level 2, FL 102. And Option 4, if you speak another language fluently, you will need to have your fluency certified. If certified, native fluency will satisfy the college's foreign language requirements. However, you will not receive academic credit for native fluency and will need to compensate for the FL 201 class with a 3-credit free elective. Although the foreign language does not have to be taken during your first semester, we recommend that you take it soon, especially if you are continuing in your high school language.